Bulk changes can be used to replace an existing comp plan with a different one for a specific list of policies. Only the comp plan can be changed. The carrier for the new plan must be the same as the carrier for the existing plan. To change a comp plan for multiple policies, go to the main menu and select Comp Plans. Click the bulk change icon. Select a carrier and comp plan type to locate the policies you want to change. Click Next. Click the box next to Policies to change. If needed, use additional filters to narrow your selection. Click Next. Only comp plans linked to the carrier selected in the first step will appear. A comp plan attached to multiple carriers will not be available. Select a new comp plan. Click Bulk Change Comp Plan. Click Continue. The selected policies are now linked to the new comp plan.